it's Connecticut dog bite attorney Ryan McKeen here. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about a recent case, a dog bite case that we settled for $62,500. I'm just going to give you, every case is different, but I'm just going to let you know how we achieved this settlement in this case. Our client was a delivery person who was bitten by a dog doing his job. And we've seen a lot of this. I think COVID is sort of the perfect storm where people got puppies and people started ordering more and more online. So we are seeing more drivers, whether they're Amazon drivers, FedEx drivers, Postal Service drivers, Uber Eats, DoorDash, getting bit by dogs as they approach home, as they approach people's homes. So we're seeing a lot of this, and this was our client's story. And our client got bit on the forearm. It didn't break the skin, but it definitely left a mark on the skin. And, when we see dog bite injuries, we see several different kinds. Some of it is there can be scarring. Some of it there can be disfigurement. Sometimes there's nerve pain. Sometimes there's bruising. We've even seen broken bones from dog bites. Dogs can really bite depending upon where it happens, or dogs can knock somebody down in the course of being bitten that can cause broken bones. We've also seen what you would look at as minor dog bites cause infections, and infections that have resulted in surgeries. So dog bites are always pretty serious. Dogs' mouths are awfully dirty, and they can cause significant damage to people. But this time, the bite was kind of like a moderate bite that you might expect, not breaking the skin, not causing the disfigurement. But our client did, as anybody who's bitten by a dog should do, go to the urgent care to get checked out, because any sort of puncture can lead to an infection. Infections can lead to surgery, and that's bad. In this case, our client had a pre-existing condition who, when it was given some medicine, reacted to that medicine and caused his condition to worsen. A condition that was unrelated to the dog bite, but made much worse by the medicine that he was given. Ultimately, this resulted in him being briefly hospitalized for this condition, had to miss some work. And so we were able to look at the medical records, gather the information, talk to the insurance company, do some investigation on our own, and link the dog bite to the hospitalization. There's one, it's not a direct case where you have a dog bite and you end up in the hospital. It's like dog bite medicine hospital. And so we were able to show the medical bills, the lost wages, the pain, and the loss of enjoyment of life that our client had suffered. And at the end of the day, the insurance company agreed to a fair settlement, in this case $62,500. Every single case is different. No two cases are alike. Your dog bite case could be worth much more, could be worth much less, but I'm trying to show you what the different factors and how we did this. And it really started with understanding our client's medical history, understanding why this medicine was prescribed, understanding what impact the dog bites had, gathering all the evidence that we needed to support our claim, and arguing. I mean, the insurance company didn't come up and offer that number initially. They offered much less, and through negotiation and the threat of litigation on this, they ultimately paid what I think is a fair and reasonable number. Now, if you want me to evaluate your dog bite case, I'm happy to do so. You can give me a call, 860-471-8333.